Two-Face.
She's just using him to get to the throne. She'll probably stab him on their wedding night.
Perfect.
Yes.
Ooh, I can cook that. I'm so hungry, I'm about to turn into a giant red panda at the mere sight of those dumplings. We'll start by combining ground pork with green onion, minced ginger, salted cabbage, spicy shrimp paste, Korean chili flakes, and a few quail eggs. Plus some Shaoxing wine, followed up with sweet dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a splash of water to bring it all together. Mix and mash until the filling is well combined. Then we can let the flavors come together as we roll out wrappers made from homemade dumpling dough. Measure out a dollop of filling into the center of each wrapper and then use your fingers to wet the edges with water before pinching and pulling the dough into the shape of a dumpling. Next, we can pop the dumplings into a boiling pot of water for a few minutes. Just long enough to cook the raw filling and fuse the dough seams. Be careful not to overcook or else your dumplings might start popping open and you'll lose all of your filling in the water. We can then serve up our dumplings with a side of pork belly cabbage and unagi fried rice to complete the meal. These pork dumplings are the perfect comfort food after a day of running around Toronto as a giant panda, offering a savory mix of tender pork and aromatic spices wrapped up in dumpling dough for one juicy, flavorful bite. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.